At the moment, I'm near to the Slovenian coast with the ocean. A lot of traffic. You can see motorbikes. It's a really sunny day. So yeah, we are going to Grobnik Motodrome with my friend. So we will see some cars, some interesting story probably, and let's see if we can do some more content. And I don't go with the BMW. We'll stay here in the place. We go with one car. Why? Because in the morning I did some ride with the bike. So I have still the bike thing inside. So you have the bike. I just clean myself a little bit. I wait now the friend that he come, and then I will try to share with you guys as much as possible. And yeah, I hope will be fun. It will be just 2.5 hours. So yeah, I hope will be some nice cars. I know for 2 Porsches for sure, and 1 RS, the new one, the old one 99 1.2. So yeah, and that's it for the moment. That's insane. I'm now at Grobnik Circuit. I did with my friend some laps, and this is insane. First time I driving in the Porsche. I didn't drive, I was co-driver, and this is fucking crazy. This completely new experience, and yeah, I'm out of speech because the brakes. This is insane. You'd think that the car will not brake, and this is just brake, and yeah, it's really crazy. I like it. It's nice, and yeah. Let's prepare the BMW and let's do it not with such a brakes, but yeah. Let's make BMW that we go soon to Nürburgring and we do also some laps. So let's do it.